Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Right now, guys, let's take a look at the gold market. As you can see that market today is showing really fast action. Yesterday we have discussed the possible retracement since market was at the strong resistance area, and in fact at the end of the day retracement was ready to start, but coming at the breaking news from the geopolitical situation in Saudi Arabia, so you know that they have started the air force operation against the Yemen forces, so that has led to significant geopolitical tensions, and you can see that commodities are growing across the board. So you can see the crude oil has jumped significantly. It's explosive rally today. The gold market, as the tensions in the world increases, also is showing the fast action. So right now it's difficult to say whether this will be just a speculative reaction, a short-term reaction, or that will get some continuation. But right now it's really a few that we could do, because market has passed through the confidence resistance. It was really fast, and that probably gives the hint that market really could continue move higher, since passing through the significant resistance with no respect of this area always looks really important. At the same time, as you can see, guys, market right now stands at the daily overbought, and in these circumstances it's not very reasonable to take the long position. So you need some pullback for taking any long position. On the intraday charts, particularly speaking on the 4-hour time frame charts, simultaneously market has reached the target that we were thinking that it should be hit a bit later. So you could see market has completed this A, B, C bottom 1618 extension target. And theoretically, by the Jordan framework, this combination causes the Kibi trade. When the market combines the hitting of the target, particularly 1618, with the daily overbought, that is the short-term scalp bearish setup. How it usually should be traded? That is only if you want to do this. We can't call you definitely to do this. We can't oblige you to do this. Maybe if you are searching for the take in the short, that somehow will be useful for you. That's scalp trade, very short-term trade. For that purpose, for trading this setup, you need drop your time frame chart to the hourly. Just a minute, I will delete all this stuff. That's not necessary anymore. Okay. So for that purpose, you need to wait when the trend on the hourly time frame chart will shift bearish by the MACD. When this will happen, you need to calculate fib resistances of the most recent move down that will happen, and take the short position at the first fib level when after the trend will shift bearish. The target of your trade on the Kibi will be nearest extension, some sort to the downside, fib extension. Maybe this will be some kind of the ABCD down or something of that sort. That's very short-term trade. It's scalp trade. At the same time, guys, as upward action was really fast recently, it could be not quite safe to trade this setup. It's just additional risk for that. That's why we just I just share with you this possible trading, since the pattern exists, the framework of this trading of such situation exists in the Jordan work. And if you would like to test this and try to how it usually traded, just to meet with this setup, you could try to do this. For those of you who trade on the daily charts, on the daily time frame and the highs, nothing really that we could do, because it's too early to buy, since market hasn't shown any retracement, stands at overbought. And here we can't sell based on the daily chart, because market stands on the rally, on the march to the upside, trend is bullish. It's nothing that we could do right now on the daily chart. And right now mostly we should watch for what really this action will be. So either this will be really changing in the short-term sentiment on the daily chart, this really could lead to some further upward action. Maybe market will take shape of some kind of the ABCD to the upside, or that just will be the speculation games, that this upward action based on the military operation in the Yemen, and this will soon will be end and market turn to the downside. We do not know this currently. So we need to find out this, because as Reuters reports, this upward action hasn't led to any shifts in the SPDR fund statistics, so it still reports on the outflows, and it seems that the sentiment hasn't changed significantly based on this action. But this has happened only today, and maybe tomorrow we will get absolutely another information. So let's keep watching, and right now, guys, all that we could do here is maybe trying to trade this Kibi trade on the intraday charts. That's all. That's for those of you who will find this setup interesting.